The "he's a 10 but" trend, which gained popularity on social media, invites friends to rate an imaginary person's attractiveness from 1 to 10, then add an unusual trait or behavior that could alter that score. For example, saying he's a 10 but he hates cats might lead to a lower rating from cat lovers. The prompts encourage lighthearted fun by focusing on quirky behaviors rather than physical attributes, with categories like "he's a 9 but" or "he's a 6 but," featuring a range of amusing and sometimes controversial traits. These can include everything from being late or overly protective to having an Android phone or a messy house. The aim is to spark entertaining discussions while allowing for personal preferences in attraction. Now that you know what it means, have fun playing your own "he's a 10 but" game.